Welcome brothers and sisters, hello Billion Channel. This time, we will visit a tour that is in South Borneo. This is access to tourist sites. This road is next to residences' houses. Look, there's a lot of chickens here. Chickens are one of the types of pets for residents around here. This is free-range chicken, the term in Indonesia for domesticated chickens that do not originate from a strain or race produced for commercial purposes. Here we can see, there are several pavilions, or small places to rest. Wow! Look, these rice fields are so green and planted by local farmers. Okay, now we will walk on this small bridge. Here we can see a miniature of the traditional house of the Borneo tribe. It's really interesting, a culture that needs to be preserved. Look at this tower. This tower is just like a windmill in the Netherlands. On the bulletin board, we must not litter. There it is written, that the longest waste that decomposes is plastic. The impact is up to 450 years. Okay kids, that's all for this video. Hopefully it's entertaining and provides a lesson for all of you. See you in the next video.